Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up our Google Photos. So I'm going to click on my Google Photos right here. After you open up your Google Photo, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular video that you would like to hide from your Google Photos. So next thing you want to do is to click on search right here, and it's going to take you right here. Click on videos, and you have all video that you have in your Google Photo right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hide any video that you want to hide right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to hide this particular video. I will click on hold down, and the video has been selected. Next thing you want to do is to click on this three dots from the top, and make sure we click on move to lock folder. Click on that, then click on move right here. Move into lock folder. Once it has moved to lock folder, the video will no longer be here. So if anybody have access to your Google Photo right here, by the time they scroll up and down, they will not be able to find the hidden video that you have in your lock folder. You can hide as many as possible video. Let's, for instance, I want to hide this video or so. I will select on the video, click on these three dots, click on move to lock folder, click on move, and in a few seconds, everything will move to lock folder. After a successful move everything to lock folder, how can you search for the video? What you want to do is to go back. Then what we want to do next is to click on search again and type in lock right here. Then click on lock folder. Enter your password or lock pattern security, and it will open up everything you have in your hidden folder. Here we go. This is the first video, and this is the second video right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.